Kids, let's talk about five senses: sight, smell, taste, hear, touch. In this picture, we can use these organs for our senses. Eye is for sight, nose is for smell, hand is to touch, ear is to hear, and mouth is to taste. Now we are going to explain these senses one by one. In this picture, we can see all things with our eyes, like blue sky, clouds, colorful kites, and balloons, trees, a girl, and so many things. Okay, kids, now in this picture, it's a sense of smell. We can smell a perfume or rose with our nose. Okay, now it's a sense of taste. We use our tongue to taste food. Okay, so we can taste either it is salty, sweet. Okay, we use our tongue. Now come to the next one. It's a sense of touch, and we always use our hands to touch the surface of anything or any object. Okay, kids, now the last one is the sense of hear. And kids, here is the sense of hear, and we use our ears to hear the sound of birds, the sound of bell. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot for learning all about senses. Thank you.